Welcome to Phil's Cookery Class, Episode 3, Giant Yorkshire Puddings. For this recipe, we need vegetable oil, 5 beaten eggs, 250 grams of plain flour, 300 millilitres of milk. Job number 1, mix it all up. Okay, so that's all mixed up, and now we put it somewhere and just leave it for an hour. Our next job is to heat up the oil. So you get your cake tin and you put a little bit of oil in, not too much. You put it in the oven and you leave it in the oven until the oil is absolutely sizzling. It's got to be boiling hot. So you can put anything you like in your Yorkshire pudding to fill it up. Sausages is always very nice, but what we're doing today is a chicken stew. Right, the next bit is really important. Getting the batter in the oven. This has got to be done really quickly, so you don't want to lose any heat. So let's go. Well, it looks like the Yorkshires are done. It's just time to get them out of the oven and fill them up. One giant Yorkshire pudding filled with stew. Thanks for watching.